Good morning, students. Let us continue the chapter on the face of it. I think today we will be able to finish this chapter. Only the last part of last scene of the chapter is remaining. Yesterday we read that Derry had returned from his home after informing his mother. He had gone just to inform her that now he would be living with Mr. Lamb. He was inspired by Mr. Lamb's talking so much that he wanted to stay with him forever. He motivated him to see the life in a different way. Now he was not thinking about his ugly face. The things which mattered for him were listening, reading, talking with people, and learning new things. So he had come back. Let us read the third part. Scene 3. Mr. Lamb's garden. Garden sounds. The noise of a branch shifting. Apples thumping down. The branch shifting again. And how he is doing this? By climbing a ladder. Miss Lamb, steady. That's got it. That's it. More apples fall. Means उसको कोई branch है जो उसने जिस पर उसने अपनी क्लचेज जमा ली है और उसको हिलाया है और एप्पल्स नीचे गिरे हैं. एंड अगेन दैट इज इट. एंड सो मोर एप्पल्स फॉल. अ क्रीक. नाउ देर इज अ नॉइज ऑफ समथिंग बीइंग ब्रोकन. या किसी के चीखने की आवाज़. अ क्रैश. किसी चीज़ के टूटने की आवाज़, किसी चीज़ के गिरने की आवाज़ होती है. द लेडर फॉल्स बैक. जिस सीढ़ी पर मिस्टर लैम है वो गिर जाती है. मिस लैम विद इट. अ थंप. थंप मीन्स व्हेन a heavy thing is hit to a hard surface. That is a sound which it creates. Thump. ठक की आवाज़. द ब्रांच स्विशेज बैक. जिस ब्रांच से सीढ़ी लगी हुई थी वो वापस चली जाती है. क्रीक्स. चीखने की आवाज़. देन साइलेंस. Derry opens the garden gate, still panting. At the very moment when Mr. Lamb has fallen, Derry enters the garden. He is still panting. वो अभी भी हाँफ रहा है. Why? Because he went running and he came running too. Derry, you see, I came back. You said I wouldn't, and they said, but I came back. I wanted. देखा आ गया. बट मैं आ गया देखो, क्योंकि मैं चाहता था आना. ही स्टॉप्स डेड. साइलेंस. जो उसे दिखाई देता है उसको देख करके वो वहीं के वहीं खड़ा रह जाता है, बिल्कुल शांत. मिस लैम, मिस्टर, you have. He is not able to say anything. Why? Because Mr. Lamb is on the ground. He runs through the grass, stops and kneels. वो दौड़ के जाता है, रुकता है और घुटनों के बल बैठ जाता है. मिस लैम, इट्स ऑल राइट. यू फेल. आई एम हियर. मिस लैम, इट्स ऑल राइट. देन अगेन देयर इज साइलेंस. आई केम बैक. लेमी लैम, आई डिड. आ तो गया मैं. कम बैक. कम बैक. वापस आ जाओ. व्हाट डज इट मीन्स वो जा चुका है. Where has he gone? He has died. Derry begins to weep. Derry अब रोना शुरू कर देता है. Look at the ending of the play. Throughout the play, we had been getting messages for motivation, but the ending is abrupt. It is sad ending. Why did the writer give this play a sad ending? She could have given it a happy ending by not killing Mr. Lamb. He had been doing this work for years, but today he died doing the same thing which he had been doing for so many years. आज ही ऐसा होना था. When there was something pleasurable going to happen in their life, both of them, they had found each other. They could live with each other's company. Why did the writer give this sad ending? I didn't like this ending. I wanted both of them to live like friends, to live like a companion. They both needed each other because both of them were feeling alone, and their thinking also matched. But it may be that she wants to give a message here that the life of these kinds of people is always miserable. They don't find solace, they don't find pleasure in their life. It continues like this from beginning to end. It is full of sadness, it is full of frustration. That's why she, I think, gave this sad ending. But I didn't like this end. Okay, let us discuss the questions which we left during reading. This is the first question. Who is Mr. Lamb? Mr. Lamb is an old person with a tin leg. He owns a garden. He lives in a big house alone. Although he says that many people come to meet him. Children come to take toffees and jellies. But according to Derry, no one comes to meet him. He is living there alone. How does Derry get into his garden? Derry gets into his garden by climbing over the garden wall. Although the door was open, the gate was open, but he used the wall to enter the garden. What is the next question? Here we have the next question. Do you think all this will change Derry's attitude towards Mr. Lamb? Yes. Derry's way of talking, Miss Lamb's way of talking, Miss Lamb's motivation, Mr. Lamb's perspective for life inspired Derry to mend his ways. Now he didn't think about his face, he wanted to learn Mr. Lamb's attitude on Derry. So we had these questions which we have discussed. I think there are no questions. ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं हैं जो हमने छोड़ दिए हैं. और अभी these textual questions we should discuss. What is it that draws Derry towards Mr. Lamb in spite of himself? It is Mr. Lamb's attitude towards life which attracted Derry towards him. Although Derry was full of pessimism, although he was continuously thinking about his ugly face, he could not see the bright side of things only because of pessimism. But Mr. Lamb motivated him to do so. Mr. Lamb liked all the things made by God. He even gave the example of weeds. He told Derry that all people in this world are same but they are different because they all have been given some special qualities by God. So Derry could use his hands, his eyes, his legs, his mind to do. And he was drawn towards him. In which section of the play does Mr. Lamb display signs of loneliness and disappointment? What are the ways in which Mr. Lamb tries to overcome these feelings? Mr. Lamb shows these signs many times. First, we saw it when he said that people came to meet him. They talked with him, but he could not tell their names. He also told that his house was full of books inside. It shows that he was completely alone. If he had people to talk, why did he read books? So it was only the books in the company of which he spent his whole day. Third instance we get when he said that no one comes back. All say, सभी कहते हैं कि वो वापस आएंगे, but no one comes back. When Derry is saying कि मैं वापस आऊँगा. So these instances are enough to tell us that he was living a life of loneliness and disappointment, and he tries to overcome these feelings by keeping himself motivated. Like in the buzzing of bees, he observed that they were singing. He kept his gate always open so that anyone can come to be his companion, to talk with him. He was always optimistic that someone will come to be his. That is, he grew weeds garden in his garden. So all these things tells us that he overcame these feelings by doing these things. I think these are the questions we discussed, and if we discuss more questions, I think we should discuss these also. It is not a so long video. The actual pain or inconvenience caused by physical impairment is often much less than the sense of alienation felt by the person with these disabilities. What is the kind of behavior that the person expects from the others? It is true that people make impaired people feel sad, not only by teasing them, they make them sad by helping them also. By doing these activities, we remind them that they are disabled. So we should keep it in our mind that we should not do any activity which reminds them that they are different from others. We should we should be full of pity for them, but we should not let them feel down. And this is the only thing that we can do to make them confident. We should behave with them like they are normal, they are like us. And people are not doing this. Because of that, they suffer from inside, and the pain that is due to the impairment is not as much as the pain given by the people. This is true. So we should association effect a change in the kind of life he will lead in the future. Certainly he would live a life of different attitude. Now he has completely changed, and it was only because of Mr. Lamb. Although Mr. Lamb has died, but it is clear that Derry has come out from his pessimism, and it is clear when we hear him talking like this, you don't know how what I can do. And he has gone to her his mother and told her that she should not believe on everything what she hears. And it does not matter how he looks, but the matter is how he behave. Means he should read, he should listen to people, he should learn new things. These kind of things are enough to tell us that he has completely changed, and now he is going to live the life on the principles of Mr. Lamb. He would be living in the garden as Mr. Lamb was living, so he would not go back to his lonely life again. It is clear. I think these questions are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Let us meet tomorrow. Okay, my dear students, take care. Bye.